Welcome to day 3 of Pydle. Today's puzzle is that interesting pattern on the right. So a white diagonal, below the diagonal red cells with the minus, and above the diagonal green cells with the plus. As usual, I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was Pydle number 2. So we've got a pattern, a green background with these 4 red cells. Now we can just do it brute force, do the whole background as green, and then color those 4 red cells. But I'm going to show you an interesting property that we can utilize. So let's do our 2 loops for a row in range 5. If you're just new to Python, then this will just give you a list of 5 numbers ranging from 0 to 4. And then column as well, for column in range 5. And let's just print our property that we're interested in out. So row, comma, column, and we're going to do row times column, and then do the modulus of that, which will give us whether they're odd or even. And let's just leave that as black. Okay, let's see what we get there. Okay, so we can see the product of our own column in those 4 red cells just happen to be odd. So let's use that to just complete our pattern. So let's add an if statement. So that is what we want to look at. So we're going to say if that is odd, then we color that red. Okay, and else if it's even, then we need to make it green. Okay, so I'm going to run that, and that's our puzzle solved. Now, when you've solved a puzzle, you no longer have the run button, but there is a playground option in Pydle. So let's just look at that. Just want to show you a way where you can get away with fewer lines. So we can run that. That gives us our puzzle, our pattern. Now, Python lets you do if statements on a single line. So all you need is a colon, and you need the colon there. Let's change that to blue so we can just see if something has changed. Okay. And there you've done it in 4 lines. You can make it even fewer lines. Let me know in the comments how many lines you've used. So that is the Pydle for yesterday. To get back to today's puzzle, you can click on Pydle up there, or just go home, any of those options. Okay, good luck with solving today's puzzle, and see you again tomorrow.